Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, are we back to normal or are we still 360? No, it's looking good. No idea what happened there this morning. I can tell you though, I've got some revealing information about YouTube, which I only learned about yesterday, and I'm glad I've learned about it. And when everybody comes in and we're back to normal, I will tell you a bit about it. But anyway, markets are looking astounding today. As you can see, I'm up 1.1 over here, 1.3. That's because I'm in margin, so it's exaggerated up. And I've got a brand new all-time high, 81,160. Absolutely great. Running late. No, Anand, I'm not running late. I was actually early, but I was I had to start again. So I was in 360. It was kind of weird. So I sent everyone to the extra channel, and then I started again. So I was actually early, but we went to the extra channel, and now we're back. So now everyone's with me. Let me give it a second. I see you're still over there on the extra channel. Just pop on in, and let me explain to you. Yeah, I like the alien. I get it. The pinhead. Yeah, the alien. I think the alien hit me. Right. Let me explain to you. Let me explain something. Right. This is really important. Right. And it's important to me. And you probably go, I don't care, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Let me tell you. I've always said, and I always maintain that I try to maintain the highest possible standards, right, to give you the best possible service. And I have done everything in humanly possible to bring you the most reliable, consistent, high quality stream. Right, I've got backup internet, backup power, the best computers you can buy, the best cameras you can buy, the best cabling. I mean, I do everything to provide the best service. However, I am relying on outside influences. I need YouTube to work. I need the internet to work. Even though I have backup internet, I need one of them to work, and I need YouTube to work. There's things I need to work, even if I am doing everything the best I can here. So we are live up to 12 hours a day, and I've had a few issues over the last couple of years. It's probably less than 1%, but it does happen. And I've said, I don't know what's going on. And I've known it wasn't me. And I've said, this must be YouTube, or this must be some outside influence, or this must be the internet, or whatever it might be. And that's what I've said, right? And I believe that, but I've had no real evidence to back that up, other than I know everything's right here. Well, yesterday I found something out about YouTube, and I think I can share it with you here. If I go onto my phone, look, this is my phone. So where is it? It's in here. It's in here. Right, utilities. Here we go. Speed test. See this here? Everyone can get this. It's Ookla. It's a speed test device. Yeah, continue. Yep, brilliant. And you can click go, and not now. And you can check your speed, right? And it'll tell me that I'm in Dallas, and it'll tell me my speed is whatever it is. There it is, look. But I found out something else. Keep watching, keep watching. Now remember, this is my Wi-Fi, not my wired. My wired is my wired is a gig. Now that should be 40. Now obviously it's reduced now because we're streaming twice. I've got 2 streams going out, so it's fine. I've still got 21, 22, and that's over Wi-Fi, so that's very, very good, right? But what's interesting is this status. Did you know you can do this? Did you know? Look, Fortnite. You know, the gaming, online gaming, it's having issues right now. And this tells you, look, all the companies have got issues, like, no, tell you what's going on. Google Fiber, it's amber, it's not green, right? Look, these are the ones that are good. Look, Spectrum, T-Mobile, AT&T. Did you know this? You can actually check. And yesterday, if I type in YouTube, look at this. This will surprise you. Look, there's YouTube. That was the moment yesterday when I was recording the ASTI video, which you now have seen is in low resolution. because when I record, even though I'm recording locally, it's affected by what's going out, because if what's going out can't be received, it constricts the recording so it can still be received. So my local recording gets disrupted. And if you watch Asti, if you watch back at Asti, the video I put out last night, the moment they became a member, do you notice the video is not normal high resolution? It's very low, and it was because of this. This here, see that spike right in the middle. See that spike in the middle. When that spike went up, that's when we were recording yesterday, and YouTube went out. It was out, literally out. You couldn't upload. It was allowing me to buffer it, and that's why the quality was massively reduced. And then last night, you may have noticed, I had premieres come out about 9-10 o'clock last night, because it took hours and hours and hours for it to be able to render with YouTube. Not me. It had left my studio. It had been uploaded. It's now in their hands. And yeah, so YouTube does go out. Absolutely. Last night it went out. And I actually scrolled back. I did a bit of history, and I actually found out that YouTube has been out multiple times when when I'm going, why is my stream not working today? What's going on? If I'd had that software, which I do now, I can actually tell you, yeah, YouTube is down. Not just I think it's down, I know it's down. And I actually didn't think it actually could go down. I know it sounds silly, but I actually thought they would have some sort of redundancy or backup like I do. But no. I mean, yeah, obviously they do. Obviously they do, but it doesn't seem to work. So there you go. Now we know. And because I'm streaming 12 hours a day live all the time, you know it. You notice it. Whereas if you only make videos and then they appear on YouTube, they're always going to be perfect because you record them locally, upload them, and when they're available, they're available. They're always going to be optimum quality. With me, because I record stuff live, sometimes it can be reduced in quality. And there you go. It's YouTube. It does happen. There it is. YouTube goes out, and there you go. All right. I thought I'd share that with you. I don't know if you're interested in that little bit or not, but I've told you anyway. Anyway, let's have a look. My portfolio is absolutely gone nuts today, and let me tell you why. You want to know why? This is the reason. First of all, Apple is buying back 110 billion of shares. They're very bullish, of course, on their company and the economy. That's one of the biggest buybacks in history, which is great for AI. They've got some big announcements coming up. So we know that AI, the S&P, all of this tech stuff is going through the roof. But also, we've got some information here from non-farm payrolls this morning, and unemployment rate. Here it is. This is why we're up. This is why, look, unemployment rate 3.8. It's now 3.9. More people are unemployed. Now, more people being unemployed isn't a great thing, but it means the economy is cooling, even though everything's the stock market is doing well. It means that the Fed could suddenly, like I predicted all the time, reduce the rates this summer. And I've said it, and I'm standing by it, and I believe it to be so. So you can see the employment rate has gone up. If we click on this, the unemployment rate in the United States edged up 3.9% in April from 3.8% in the previous month, and surprising market expectations, which had forecasted the rate to remain unchanged. This is good. The Fed is having an effect, and they could suddenly drop rates. They don't have to wait. It could happen today, anytime. The number of unemployed individuals increased by 63,000, while employment levels went up by 25,000 to reach 161.4. Additionally, the labour force participation rate was unchanged at 62%. All right, so this is a good sign. All right, the economy is strong, but it's cooling. All right, that is good. Let me refresh this. I've also got non-farm payrolls. That's important too. Now you can see here, non-farm payrolls. The US economy added 175,000 jobs in April, a deceleration compared to the upwardly revised 315,000 jobs added in March, okay, and falling short of market expectations for 243,000 increase. The latest data underscores a significant slowdown from the brisk pace observed in the first quarter and trails behind the average monthly gain of 242,000 jobs over the preceding 12 months. Within the job market, the healthcare sector saw an increase of 56,000 jobs, blah, 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 all the rest of it. Anyway, what this essentially means is this is very, very good for the stock market. That's why the stock market has gone up this morning. It hasn't gone up as much as that. It's because I'm in margin, so it's exaggerated. That's exactly what's going on right now. All right, very, very exciting. Very, very exciting stuff indeed. So there you go. That's what's going on. That's why the markets are up today so much, and that's why we're all making so much money. Let me read these comments. Good morning, Martin. Tusha Patel, good morning to you. Jay Long, good morning. Morning traders, Jason Davis. Apple will push everything today. Yes, it did. IBRX going big today. Moves were made last night. Chris Schultz, send me links for YouTube, please. Right now, I will make another updated video. Okay, I bought 3,000 on the S&P 500 when I started watching your show in my self-directed in Chase, and it's the best move I've made. Fantastic. It was the right time. It's never the wrong time to buy the S&P, but now is most certainly the right time. Most certainly the right time. Okay, so that's why I'm using margin. That's why I'm all in. And as you can see, look, there's my portfolio. 81,143. And I started with $5,000 nearly come June 3 years ago. And I earned nothing on YouTube for the first year and a half. Remember that. All right, very important to remember that. I thank you very much. You're very welcome. The 360 stuff was crazy. I thought you were I thought you was hacking, Martin. I don't know what happened there. Anyway, yes, welcome, Fernando. Good afternoon, all. Craig, you are overflowing. You are overflowing. Is that a good thing? I think it is. IBX signed on biggest vaccine manufacturer in the world. Chris Schultz, send me that in. Send me that in. I'll make it now. Our show is going to end in 45 minutes because Seth Houston is here. Is Seth here? Yes. We have got an earnings, and the earnings is ABR for Seth Houston, which starts very shortly. So this show is going to go straight into the earnings. Good morning, Seth Houston. Good morning, Seth. It's Mike's birthday today, and it's Sensei's birthday, and it's a wedding stag do. It's Mike's birthday, it's Sensei's birthday, and it is forgetting what I'm saying now, and it is Sensei's wedding stag do party tonight on the music channel. You cannot miss it. Good morning, Seth. Are we going to win today? We're always winning. Good morning, all. We're always winning. Lisa Wang. Good morning, aliens. Yes, the aliens. I sent a link last night. We'll resend. Do it now. I woke up this morning with a big bruise on my forehead and I have no idea how I got it there. Aliens. Aliens, Mike. It's definitely aliens. 100% it's aliens. SMX, no movement. Go DB. All of those of you last night, if you missed this very special video, let me share it with you. Last night, did you all see this? Fubu is up 10%, by the way. Breaking news, Fubu is up 10%. Last night, I put out some very important videos last night. A very, very special moment last night. Let me scroll down to the video section. Ascent Solar. If you are an Ascent Solar investor, ASTI, you will be very, very excited to know They're coming on the show live in my show. They're going to be here in the studio. And last night, they loved the show so much, they became a member of the channel. They are a member of our channel. Absolutely fantastic. Doesn't influence my interview any way whatsoever. But they just want to support the family and be here on the shows, and it's absolutely great. Fantastic. Ascent Solar, and your reaction was fantastic. You all started buying the stock. You were excited. It's very, very good. We love all that stuff. That's absolutely brilliant. If you've not seen that, go and check it out. Also Set to Fly, Joby, I put out $1 for the win. How we get to $1 on Fisker. Tilray Brand Celebrate Part 1 and Part 2. ImmunityBio. Yes, an update to ImmunityBio. We had an update for it. The Apple earnings as well. And Arbor earnings trailer. That went out last night for the Arbor earnings, which kicks off in about 45 minutes. It's an unusual time for an earnings, but we are covering it live. Happy birthday, Mike, mate. Must be the birthday bumps. Yes, we've got birthday celebration today, plus tonight on the show. I don't feel probed. Well, you have been. You have been probed. You just don't know it, right? Get over it. Live with it. Good morning, Mr. Lucas. Good morning, Henry. How are you? Thank you, Seth. Good morning, everyone. Blow up the chat, please. Copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Annoy all of those that aren't members. Annoy them all. I don't care. Annoy them. Do this. You ready? Do what I'm about to do now. Every single person, right? All those that aren't members are going to go, I hate this channel. I'm unsubscribing. I don't care. I don't care. We're here for the fun. You ready? Here we go. Happy birthday. Everyone, do what I'm doing now. Come on. Copy and paste. This is happy birthday, Mike. All right? Annoy the hell out of everybody that doesn't want the chat to go nuts. I don't care. I don't care. Just do it anyway. It's Mike's birthday. It's Sensei's birthday. And tonight we're going to have a birthday party and we're going to have a stag do for Sensei. It's going mental today. It's going mental. Mike is wishing happy birthday to himself. And he said he wasn't probed. Clearly he was. He's gone mental, but that's okay. Mike's gone mental. Mike, you're allowed to go mental on your birthday. It's just an exaggeration of what's normally there. But don't worry, everything is fine. There we go. We're blowing up the chat. Let's do it. Let's do it. Blow it up. Annoy the hell out of everybody that's not a member. The people that are coming in now going, what the hell's going on? Don't care. They're going to go, well, do you know what? You'll like this. You'll think this is funny. Last night, a guy comes into my channel. He sends me a message on X. He says to me, would you do me a review, please? He was very respectful and very nice on X. And I said, I'm terribly sorry. I can only do it for my members. It's a members only perk. And I was polite and I was nice. He replied back and said, I'm a subscriber. And I replied back, I'm sorry, it's members are different than subscribers. They get extra perks. I'm very sorry. Okay, I can only do requests for members. So he replied back and said, okay, I've unsubscribed. You've just lost a subscriber. And I went, okay, fair enough. Sorry about that. Sorry you don't understand that, but that's just how it is. Anyway, there you go. All right. I don't work for everybody. I'm not everyone's personal robot. All right. I'm a human being, and I can't do more than I can do. So I limit it for members only. I'm thinking of messaging you guys and saying to you that you should come round and wash my car because you're one of my subscribers, and you should. I remember there was a famous incident. Actually, this is how people get entitled and think they are entitled to more than they really are. There was a famous incident, it really made me laugh, when Jeff Bezos was crossing the road in New York, and he was with his bodyguard, and he was crossing the road, and some guy runs up to him, and he wants to have a chat with him. And Jeff Bezos was probably on the way to a very important meeting, and so on and so forth. But this guy wanted to have a chat with Jeff Bezos, and Jeff was busy. He was polite. He said, good morning, and the guy wanted to talk to him and discuss about his Amazon account. And Jeff Bezos was a bit busy, so he turned around to Jeff. And he said, "I'm an Amazon Prime customer," and he thanked him. He said, "Thank you very much for your custom." But he expected, because he was one of the hundreds of millions of Prime customers, that Jeff Bezos should cancel his meeting with the president or the King of England or somebody like that, and just stop in the middle of the street and have a conversation about this guy. Maybe he wanted to ask him about one of his returns. I sent a return last week and didn't get a refund. And as a Prime customer, I should be able to speak to the CEO of the company. And Jeff was quite polite, but he moved on, and his bodyguard said, "Okay, mate, all right." So if you are a subscriber to my channel, or you are a member to my channel, that doesn't mean you're entitled to my life. For those of you that think it does, for those of you that think you can phone me up 24 hours a day and say, "I want a review and I want it done now because I am a subscriber to your channel." Right, thank you very much, but I'm sorry I can't do that. Well, I'm going to unsubscribe. Then unsubscribe then. Oh, I love it. I love all the happy birthdays. This is great. Not for me. It's not my birthday. I'm not old today. Mike is old today. Sensei is old today. But Sensei is getting married on Sunday as well, so he's got bigger concerns right now. He's got bigger concerns. Thanks for all the messages. I love it. Mike's going to appreciate it. Happy birthday, Mike. Now, clearly, Mike is already out of it. He's already on his carpet ride or whatever he's doing, because clearly it's quite obvious to me the fact he's wishing himself happy birthday, Mike. He's actually naming himself. Then I think it's quite obvious to appreciate there's that Mike's a little bit jolly this morning. But there you go. Right, we got a message here for Sensei. Who wants to hear it? Anybody? Of course you do. You want to hear it? Yes. Do you want to hear from Mike? Yes. I asked you, send in videos for Sensei's wedding. If you want to be part of a wedding video, nice that you all paid attention. Mike did.
I wish you the best.
Here we go.
For your wedding.
Here's Mike.
Hey, Sensei, just wanted to let you know, well, really, Allie, just wanted to let you know that I wish you the best for your wedding, and also happy birthday from another birthday recipient, me. But
don't milk
really
it, Mike.
appreciate
Don't
you
milk
being
it.
a family member, and for your appreciation of everybody in the chat. But mainly, hope that you have a great wedding and a fun, happy honeymoon. Okay, buddy.
He made it about himself, though, didn't he? It was supposed to be about wishing Sensei a happy wedding, and he mentioned that, but he had to get himself in it as well. I did like the last comment about the happy honeymoon. That was entertaining. Let's hear it again.
Hey, Sensei, just wanted to let you know, well, really, Allie, just wanted to let you know that I wish you the best for your wedding, and also happy birthday from another birthday recipient, me.
See, he got it in.
I really appreciate you being a family member, and for your appreciation of everybody in the chat. But mainly, hope that you have a great wedding and a fun, happy honeymoon. Okay, buddy. See you later.
A fun, happy honeymoon. I'm loving it. There you go. That was great, wasn't it? Thank you, Mike, for sending
Sensei,
that in.
Just wanted to let
me
you know.
just mute that. Okay.
Really,
you're not going to do it again. That's 3 times. You're not going to have another go, mate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these videos and put them together and make a birthday message. Sorry, a wedding message. A wedding video for Sensei, a wedding video diary. So if you would like to be part of it, there's the Friday phone-in. Of course, we're going to do that after the earnings. There's an earnings first of all coming up in half an hour. We're going to do Arbor Realty earnings, and after the earnings, we're going to come back, of course, and we're going to do reviews. We're going to do there's more videos to put out. Blah blah blah. And you can phone in. Now, if you can't phone in today at 9 o'clock, obviously we're doing the Arbor earnings, you can record it on your phone and send it in, or a computer, or whatever you like. Send it in to Discord, just like Mike did. So please do that, okay? Please do that. Now, Chris Schultz. I wish that I can't believe this has happened. I can't believe this has happened this morning. This was the moment we went 360 this morning. It's not really 360, is it? It's not really 360. It's kind of bending reality. That's what it is. It's bending reality. Anyway, I've got some messages coming in. What have we got here? Chris Schultz, John Grant for Space News, Lockheed drops bid to acquire Terran Orbital. That's good. Isn't so bad news. Just means $1 offer will be as projected. Okay. Chris Schultz. Let me have a look at this. ImmunityBio Serum Institute. Let me just read this a minute. Let me read this. Of global supply across all ImmunityBio has entered into an exclusive global with the Serum Institute for India to supply. The collaboration will address the next generation. The agreement aims to enhance BCG supply shortages, challenge may rise in scaling up. Right. Okay, I've got that. I like that. Let me zoom that in and make that clearer for everyone. All right, let me do that there. That's good. Thank you very much. I'm going to try and record. I'm going to record this before the earnings, if I can. Right, I'm going to try and record this before the earnings. Did you send me something else there, Chris? Okay, that'll do. Right, I've got that. Great. Yes, I'm not a member, but I appreciate your work and understand it. If I need to ask you something, I will super chat. That's okay. Of course it is. Anand Patel. You can ask me anything you want. You don't have to be a member. Members just get extra perks. Everyone can watch for free. Everyone can chat for free. Everyone gets spoken to. Everyone's part of it for free. The members get extra perks. We're going global, baby. I'm off to work. Have a great week. We're going global. Yes. I'm about to do it. Nope. That's all. PSS speaks today. The chairman of okay. Thanks for that. Right. Correct, Mr. Martin. It's not your... Mr. Martin is not your personal AI assistant. That's right. That's right. Some people think I am. They do. I'm a subscriber. Thank you very much. So you watch my show for free. Yeah. And, right, that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. I subscribe to your channel. Now I expect service from you. Okay, what do you expect? I will make videos and go live 12 hours a day so you can watch that. That's not good enough. That's not good enough. As a subscriber to your channel, I expect a personal service. Okay, so you probably work 8 hours a day on average. Most people do. I work 12. What do I get out of your work? Can I come into your office and say, make me a cup of tea? And you'll do it because I'm a subscriber. I've subscribed to your work office. I mean, I've just, I've put my thumbs up. I've given it a like. I mean, what do you want from me? Well, I'm a subscriber. I know you're a subscriber. You watch my content for free. I know you do. Enjoy it or don't enjoy it. Subscribe to it. Don't subscribe to it. But I'm not your personal AI robot. I'm sorry you don't see that, but I'm not. Oh, man. Anyway, have I got time? Of course I've got time. I've always got time for my members, right? Let me do it. Oh, it made me laugh, though. And I was so polite. I was laughing when I was saying it. I don't know. Why are people like that? I always ask Leah, I say, Leah, why are people like this? Anyway, why are people strange, Leah? She never has an answer. She never has an answer. She just goes, well, some people are. Right, okay. Well, that's not helping me, is it? That doesn't give me any insight into it. Okay. 30 minutes. IBRX. IBRX, 30 minutes. Right, here we go. So, breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, ImmunityBio, IBRX. We're starting to rank #1 now on YouTube. We want to be your first source for ImmunityBio. Even though I can't pronounce half the words, doesn't matter. I make really fun, engaging videos, and I know how to reach the world. I know how to interview the CEOs. I've got many coming up on the shows over the next few months, and I hope to have the CEO of ImmunityBio on the show as well. Many of the investors have already reached out to investor relations. Why I'm here this morning, bring you an update. I aim to bring you the most up-to-date, honest, real news. I'm not in the stock. I only own the S&P, so I can't pump and dump. I'm not here to do that. I'm here to just be your source for ImmunityBio news. I love what they're doing, and we've got some more great news this morning. Just in, ImmunityBio, Serum Institute of India agree on an exclusive arrangement for global supply of, here we go, Bacillus calmette gurin. I think that was pretty good, right? BCG. Now, perhaps someone could tell me, I don't know, when I was younger in England, I had a BCG injection. Is that what this is? I'd like someone to let me know. In the comments below, you could educate me and perhaps let me know. Is that what that is? Anyway, this is one of the biggest medical companies in the world to do this deal. So this is very, very good news. And I've got some pros and cons for you as well, what it actually means. Let's roll down here. ImmunityBio has entered into an exclusive global agreement with the Serum Institute of India to supply BCG for use in combination with ImmunityBio's, let me just go to this screen over here, Anktiva. Now, I'm looking to the left here because the screen is, the text is small, so I'm using my mirror screen, so I apologize for looking left. This collaboration will address the chronic BCG supply shortage issue, providing both standard BCG and SBCG and next generation recombinant BCG IBCG for approved indications benefiting from Anktiva's therapeutic effects. The agreement aims to enhance immunogenicity and safety compared to standard BCG, improved outcomes for bladder cancer patients globally. Okay, now the positive and the negative, I just want to bring this to you. The collaboration with Serum Institute of India will ensure a steady global supply of BCG for all approved indications, addressing chronic shortages and benefiting cancer patients worldwide. Yes, worldwide. IBRX is going global. This is very, very good news if you are in the stock. We already know that this is a great company, and it's improving at leaps and bounds at the moment as well. Next generation recombinant BCG has shown potent immunogenicity and improved safety in clinical trials, potentially revolutionizing cancer treatment through collaboration with ImmunityBio. One more positive, the availability of Anktiva in combination with both standard BCG and IBCG will contribute to a comprehensive treatment approach for various cancer types, optimizing patient outcomes. Now, the negative, is the bearish case, if you like, while the collaboration aims to address BCG supply shortages, challenges may rise in scaling up manufacturing processes and meeting regulatory requirements for global distribution, potentially causing delays or setbacks. So there you go. So more breaking news. Now, as we get the news, I will bring it to you. If you are one of my members and you can become a member of this channel for a couple of bucks or the extra channel just for $1, and we're live 12 hours a day trying to bring you the breaking, most up-to-date, most honest, most unbiased news on any stock, including IBRX. This is our behind-the-scenes channel, the extra channel, which runs 12 hours a day. The link for that is below this video, also on the homepage of the channel. Become a member and you can supply me with information as it comes in. I can come live, update you live, and you can know exactly what's going on. I am dedicated to bringing great companies to people, bringing them facts without pumping, without dumping, just the most reliable, honest information in the world. Even if I can't always pronounce some of the very complex medical terms. I don't need to. I'll get the CEO of the company on my show and I can learn directly. Now, we do have more information coming out later on today. There's going to be a live announcement from the company. It's going to be very exciting. I'll try and cover it if I can and bring it to you. So if you are interested in all this IBRX news, we are now ranking on YouTube. We'll be #1, I would imagine, within a week. It takes me just a few days to get there, but we'll get there. Click above my head for all the links, down below in the description for all the links, the full playlist on this stock, all the information coming out. Tap the like button and subscribe to my channel. Here is the like button. Not for me, of course. No. Like the video because the little fellas love it. The little fellas and the little ladies, they love when you follow and like my channel. You'd be surprised the amount of people that comment below are all about that. If you got a little, are you a dog lover or are you a little ladies lover? Let me know in the comments below. I want to see how many people watch my channel prefer dogs or cats. I'm interested. Why? What's that got to do with ImmunityBio? Nothing. But it will get a lot of engagement and the video will go up even higher in the rankings and more people will learn about ImmunityBio. Win-win. I get more views. You make more money. We help more people around the world with cancer. It's a win-win, right? Fantastic. Over here for more information. Down below here for the 12-hour stream. Until next time, as always, get ready for more news. Are you ready? It could be out in the next 30 seconds. You never know when. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. I love both. Yeah, Lisa Wang. I don't want it here. I don't want it in the chat. Well, I do want it in the chat, but I want it below the video in the comments when it comes out. Monkeys. Clickbait. We are talking business. Yes, clickbait. Absolutely. Total clickbait. Total clickbait. Talking about you little fellas. Absolutely. Over 4 billion people have had BCG at one point. BCG is a vaccine against tuberculosis. That's what I had as a kid. Smash the like if you giggle. I'll keep the tongue twisters coming for all the community laughs. Welcome in Omen. Fuel Cell and Toyota celebrate launch of world's first tri-gen production system. Send that in, Lisa Wang. Lisa Wang, send it in. I'll make a video. Good morning. Damn, I thought I was watching the Coneheads. Vincent Vosberg. What is going on? I've had a hard time following sometimes. We still talk about trolls and the problems with fame. What is going on? I have a hard time following sometimes. We still talking about trolls and the problems with fame. Vincent Vosberg, Chris Schultz. No, that's all. And there we go. I'm off to work. Had a good day. We're going global. Right. Okay. Back to here again. Back to here again. Let me close that down. Right. The earnings. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we've got Arbor Realty earnings. Gonna mess up your day now. Mess up your day. Why? Because one of our members says so. Hang on a minute. What's going on? Is it not a normal show today? No, it's not a normal show today. It's Arbor earnings. Arbor earnings in a few minutes. Arbor earnings in a few minutes. So what we're going to do, we're going to get into the bell. We're going to ring the bell. We're going to go ding, 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 ding. We're going to ring the bell, and then we're going to jump out of this show back into the extra channel. I'm going to set up for Arbor Realty, and I'm going to give all of you the link in the extra channel to come and join me. And we'll listen in with that. Then we'll end that. We'll put the IBIX video out. We'll do all of it. We'll do all of it at the same time. It's going to be a very exciting day. Plus birthdays, plus weddings, plus a stag do tonight. Oh my God, I'm going to be drinking whiskey and beer out of the same glass tonight. I don't care. I'm throwing caution to the wind. I ain't bothered anymore. I ain't bothered because I bought the bottom of the market. My portfolio has exploded and I don't care. All right. I just don't care. Right. You can't make me care when I don't care. Right. It's not possible. Okay. I think we will see a change. I sent the fuel set information Discord in stock news. Thank you very much indeed. If you want it on the show, put it in links for YouTube. That's where I go to. God, I love them little fellas. Yay! How is the fear meter doing? Want to have a look? The fear meter. The fear meter. I know you love this, right? Not so well. Not so well yet. We're still in fear. But we shall see what happens this morning. All right? We shall see what happens. It was updated 8:11. Oh, yeah, it was updated about 10 minutes ago. All right. Okay, let's get ready to rumble. The bell's about to go. Let me edit this so I can send everybody down into the redirect. Send you all to the extra channel. Boom, there it is. There it is. So when we end, that's going to happen. Done. Morning to my rumblers. How are you this morning? You got this YouTube mess sorted out yet, Martin? That is another point for Rumble. It was in 360 mode. I don't know why that happened, but yes, I'll give you that. Rumble don't do 360. You're dead right there. You're dead right. And there's not much point doing 360 when you're not really in 360. It just bends the reality. And we don't like bending reality, right? Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready. Okay, are you ready? We're about to ring the bell. I've got the bell ready to go. And we're excited. Life's good. We're all making money. We're getting married. We're having birthdays. Birthdays are always good. I think birthdays are a good thing because when you're celebrating your birthday, it basically means you haven't died. So that's essentially what it is. When people go, congratulations on your birthday, what they're actually saying is, congratulations, you're still alive. You're not dead yet. That's what it means. Does that bring you down? Probably. But we need to bring you down a little bit because you're getting a bit carried away, Mike, Sensei. You're getting a bit carried away with all of this birthday celebrations, right? That's what it is. When people say, congratulations, you've had a baby, basically, they're saying, congratulations, you've had a bit of nookie with your girlfriend. That's what they're saying. That's what they're actually saying. It's not hard. Well done, congratulations. You're having a baby. Yeah. Basically, I got together with my girlfriend and birthdays are the same. What does it really mean? Nothing. Just means you're not dead. That's all it means. Don't get carried away. Don't get overindulging on yourself on your birthday. Don't get overindulging when you have a baby. Anyone can do it. Anybody want a baby? It's easy. Let me... All right. My wife might not agree to that. Right. Here we go. You ready? Okay. Let's get ready to rumble. In the biggest buyback in history. Apple 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thunderbirds are go.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony.
The bell has gone. Are you in the market? Are you in? Rocket
This is
rolling.
Phoenix.
Let's go. I've turned red. Why have I turned red? Why has my face gone red? Oh my gosh, what's going on there? That's better. So what's going on? Oh, the biggest buyback in history. 81,000. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Biggest buyback in history. Virgin Galactic, 89. Palantir up today. We're loving it, loving it, loving it. Look at this go now. The S&P is up. Amazon up. Apple up 7%. Next Era Energy. Enphase Energy. Coca-Cola. J&J just down slightly. People taking their money to buy the big stocks now. Kenvue, Chevron on the way down. Tesla up. Rivian up. McDonald's up 0.35. Google up 0.53. Microsoft up 1.2. Nvidia up 1.6, 1.7. Walmart down slightly. Tilray 206. Woohoo! Robinhood up today. 1.87. IonQ. We're loving it, loving it, loving it. We're loving it like that. Oh, yes, indeed. Rocket Lab is up today, 253. Plug Power is up nearly 7% today. Rumble, 2.5% today. Let's hear some cheers for your favorite stocks. When we call out your favorite stocks, drop a cheer. Faraday up 1.5. Rio Tinto, 0.7. Bitcoin up nearly 4% today. What a rally, what a rally, what a rally. Polygon up 1.94. XRP. We are loving it. Woohoo! It's off to the races we go. Ascent Solar Production Technologies up 2.31. IBRX. ImmunityBio is up 3.12. Look at that. We're making money. We're loving it. Fantastic. It's a big day today. It's birthday day. It's birthday day today. Indeed it is. Fireworks. Boom. Get in. All right. Fantastic. We're loving it, loving it, loving it. Are you up? Are you down? Let me know where you are today. We got the bottom, Chris. I know my BIOS. Rocket Lab over $4 again. LFG blockchain face gone red because you're excited about the market. It was really weird. I have no idea. I have no idea why my face went red. It was a very weird moment. I don't know why that happened. Anyway, fantastic. Now then, listen, folks. This is what we've got to do now. We've got a lot of stuff to do right now. We're going over now to the Arbor Realty earnings. I'm going to end this video right now. The Arbor Realty will start in a couple of minutes' time. We're going to be live together with the family. I'm going to send you all now to the extra channel. This is the event. We're going to be live with this. Join me for this, okay? And then we're going to go straight into the closing bell. We've got all the earnings to do. Sorry, we've got all the reviews to do. More news to catch up on. We've got the birthday party to do with Sensei. The birthday party to do with Mike. And tonight in the music concert, we're going to have some fun as well. It's going to be absolutely amazing. We're going to have a stag do for Sensei. Get ready. So we're now going to go over to the extra channel. I'm going to get the IBRX video out right now. Yes, I'm going to do that at the same time as 500 jobs. Are you amazed? You should be. Are you impressed? You should be. No one else does this. Nobody else wants to do this. All right, here we go.
Sundays are better donated $2 through a super chat. Happy B-Day.
Happy birthday. There's our first video birthday card this morning. Sundays are better. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, here we go. Let me send you now to the extra channel. I'm going to get this video out and get ready for Arbor Realty. Back in a few minutes. It starts in as quick as I can get back. You're not going to miss it. Seth, this is just for you, one of our members. That's it from me. See you over on the extra in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take care of yourselves and each other. I've got to really do a lot now in the next 3 minutes. Bye.